Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can place furniture and other objects on build mode in Bloxburg. So select this icon here, go to build mode, and you're just going to go to the decorate section, or you can go to the build one if you want to add like windows and other stuff like that. But if you want to like add items like posters or like other stuff, you are just going to go to the decorations one, and I like to add like little items on tables because it's just cute. Like you can add in like a picture frame here if you'd like to, but there's already enough on my table. I think maybe these glasses I will put. Let me just change the color real quick. Okay, maybe not that color. Maybe this. And that is it. Super simple. You can also do it to other items, furnitures, etc., cabinets, countertops. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!